Hey guys, so in this video I want to share with you like really quickly what are the alternatives to YouTube Music that you can right now use. So the first one is SpotTube. This is a very popular one. It's open source. It's a lightweight Spotify client that uses YouTube as its backend. No ads, completely free, cross-platform, no account required. Use Spotify's interface with YouTube audio. So again, this is something that you can actually like check out, and you can see like how many backers they got. So this is like the first one, but limitations requires technical setup. The UI is very different from YouTube Music, may have stability issues, and it's kind of like legal gray area to be kind of like aware of. But this is something to be aware of. Okay, the next one is SoundCloud. So with the SoundCloud, what are they? You probably know it already with the SoundCloud. So offers a free music streaming, and for users wishing to stream millions of tracks. One of the best things about SoundCloud is focus on new and independent artists, so you're gonna hear a lot of new music. I hope not AI. And the interface can be a bit cluttered, and the free tier comes with the ads, a limited mainstream catalog. Audio quality works by upload, no offline listening on the free tier. Another one is Pandora Music. This is something that is also interesting. So the system analyzes songs based on hundreds of music traits. Contrasting Spotify, which relies on on-demand streaming, Pandora's unique power lies in its custom radio stations. The free tier ad is supported. Ads can be frequent, but that's something that and use only for it. iHeartRadio, this is something that also is like very interesting. So iHeartRadio is something like you can have like plenty of radios there that you can listen to. Maybe that's something that you're gonna like. You can listen to over 15 million songs on its catalog and stream radio. And then also Deezer. So Deezer is also kind of like the comparison to the Spotify. You have a lot of tracks there too, flow feature, lyrics display, and you have limitations here that you can have like shuffle only on mobile, like on old Spotify free. And that's like for it. Also ads between songs, limited skips, and the primarily last one is Spotify. And that's the one that you can actually like use. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you are going to have a great day, and goodbye.